Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this super easy messy bun hairstyle in less than 3 minutes. To start, we're going to brush the hair up into a high ponytail and secure it with elastic band. On the last turn of that elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through. So move the hair to the front of the head and just pull it through part way so you create a little loop. So you should have a little loop and the rest of the hair coming forward. Now divide that hair that's coming forward in half, and we're simply going to do a 3-strand braid on that right hand side. Next, apply some texture spray to the braid. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull that braid apart, and then tie it off with a clear elastic band. And we're going to repeat the same steps on the left hand side. So just do a 3-strand braid, apply your texture spray and pinch and pull that braid apart. Now we're going to bring those two braids together and hold on to them, and basically we're going to just lift them up and over that little loop of hair, and I'll spin my model round so you can see what we're doing from the back. So arrange those braids on top of the loop, pinch them together and tie them with a clear elastic band, once again creating a little loop of hair. And all we're going to do is take that little loop, turn it under until it hits the elastic band, and secure it to the head with a few bobby pins. Now pinch those braids together on top of the loop and then just secure them to that little loop with a few bobby pins so they don't move about. Next, spend a few seconds just pinching and pulling those braids to create more volume. And then the final touch is just to pin the sides of that bun down to the head. So repeat this on both sides. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.